I'm Xiao Yu.
I'm J.
Okay. So we built a Telepresence Robot. So this robot here, it allows motion control, so that to with an accelerometer on this like steering wheel to control the robot's movements. Right here, the robot also got a camera in front, and it sends the camera images to this Raspberry Pi base station here. Okay, so when we first start the robot, it uses Bluetooth to exchange IP addresses so that the robot and base station can communicate in any Wi-Fi location where they both have Wi-Fi. So first, when we start, we first calibrate our steering wheel for the natural position. Okay, and then to start the robot, we just press here to enable, and then you'll start driving. And then if you turn, you go forward. It's kind of like a steering wheel actually. So yeah, just like that. And then yeah. G, you want to describe the camera, how it works?
For the connection part, we try a few different things. First, we look through LoRa radio, but since common LoRa radio modules, they all have a relatively low bandwidth, and it's not capable for streaming images, so we turn to use Python socket. First we tried UDP socket, but finally we found that when any of the packets is lost, then the whole image will be crashed.
Yeah, so there's a
then
huge lead.
we try TCP connection, but the problem is the frame rate is quite low and the latency is high. So even if we lower the bit rate, the latency and frame rate is still not much improved. So finally we turn to use HTTP protocol, which works pretty good, and now we can stream video to multiple clients at the same time, while keep the latency low and frame rate high.
So yeah, the latency is still there, but way lower than what we got before using TCP and the streaming. So yeah, the latency highly depends on the robot, or on the location, the distance between the base station and the robot. So yeah, we were for a really far distance between the base station robot. There's going to be a huge amount of latency. And yeah, this project was really fun. Part of the reason we did this was just, remote control driving. We like drones. Yeah.
Very nice.
Very good, thanks.
Thank you.